Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a photo card organizing video. I have like a lot of photo cards this time just because I've been doing a lot of trades and sales. Yeah, so I'm just gonna sort of like get started. There's a whole bunch. I'm just gonna quickly sort these into like what binders they are. Okay, there's a lot of girl groups. We'll start with that since the other two are like a little bit more exciting. So here is my girl groups binder. At the front we have Yeti. So I'll just grab out the Yeti cards. So I have actually set this up for some non-album stuff, so I'm just gonna quickly move past that as that is a whole different video. So moving back, I have this guidebook card. I'm really happy to finally make some progress on Finale. They're so hard to collect, it's not even funny. And this is my first Japanese card for Yeti. This is her Sappy card. There's no special layout I can do with like two Japanese cards, so I'm just going to like put them 1 and 2 like that. And then moving on, we'll do Cheon. I have these 3 cards. Blue Eyes is almost completed. I literally need like 1 card. Well, not like I even need to buy it, like it's on the way. Down here we just needed this mini card. And that is I Was completed. And then we just have this card. And that is I Am, I think, anyway. That is actually so satisfying. That is those completed, and then I just have this mini card. And then I just need this last one here, which I do have like in my new Neokyo order. So I'm really excited to get that in. And then next I think is Olivia. I don't have anything for Chaeryong. Olivia Hay. Cool. I actually found these for such an amazing price. They are first press XX cards or multiply cards, whatever. I'm not sure which is A and B since they have the same back, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. And that is those ones. I'm so excited to have these. I actually have the A version of Plus Plus on the way for a trade, so I just need the 1 card to finish Olivia, which is something I never thought would actually happen. And then moving on to Hanel. This is Saturday. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are the final cards I needed for her. So I have her slogan photo card, and I have this signed photo card that I got for a really amazing price. I don't usually collect signed merch, but I really liked this one. And I just thought, like, why not, since she's completed anyway. Oh, that's so cute. I'm so glad I can actually have this finished, but now I just want a Saturday comeback, please. It's been too long. We need another Bob like Byung. And we're moving on to G-Friend. I just have 2 cards from this front page. So I have this one, and then this one. I'll probably reorganize these once I get like all the others, but since they're so difficult to find, I just haven't been able to sort of like do that. They're like really difficult. If you actually have any G Labyrinth cards, offer me them on my Instagram because I need them. And then I don't have any cards for this next part, but I am now collecting Secret Number. I've like set myself up for it. But yes, I think moving on to the next binder. Moving on to the boy groups binder. I just thought I'd do this one next since it's got the least amount of cards compared to the others. So I have some Daniel and ATEEZ cards. These ATEEZ cards are really exciting. I'm like one card away from finishing ATEEZ OT8 entirely. So I have this Ruyang, and then this Hongjun. And they are finished. Oh my god. That's insane. That's so weird to have that finished. The only card I need for this collection now is this Jongho, and I can't find him for some reason. I can usually find Jongho really easily. And then moving on to here, I have this, you know. And then this Ruyang. This is like actually surreal. I usually collect ATEEZ a bit quicker than this, but I just didn't this time. I wasn't like financially liable for me at the time since they came out with the compacts so fast. I do have this Hongjun on the way from my Ryukyu order, so I'm like technically finished apart from that one Jongho. I just kind of want to come back now. And then moving on, I have some Daniel stuff. Well, I have a Daniel card. And that is this one. Now I'm pretty sure these aren't all of them, I'm not gonna lie, but I don't know of any others, so if anyone does have any others of these, I'll happily buy them from you. But that is everything for this binder, and we can move on to Twice. Ooh, that creaking sound, honestly I'm gonna kill it one day. Okay. We have my Twice my Chaeyoung binder, which is got some OT9 sets in. These are all the Twice cards I got to do. I've been on a bit of a buying spree. So where are we gonna start? We're gonna start at here. This is actually really amazing because I've now finished Chaeyoung in her entirety before More and More, which is a long time coming. I have like I should have been able to do it before now, but I just didn't. I don't know why. I couldn't find some certain cards anywhere, and then I just happened to find them really easily, so I just like went and did it. So what set is this? Like the name corner thing. Cool, I got 4 cards. And that is Jonghyun, Mina, Sana, and Nayeon. I just need 2 more cards to finish this set. I'm moving on to this set. It's like the one with the food in the corner. I thought it was really cute, so oh my goodness. Right. I kind of mixed up all these cards when I was leaving them earlier, so oops. It's fine, just these 2. And then Geo. I'm missing quite a few cards from this set, but that's fine. It's a work in progress. And then Summer Nights. Do I have any of these ones? Oh yeah, quite a few. Jonghyun, no, not Jonghyun. Momo, Nayeon, Sana. And then Momo. Just 2 more cards for this set again. And then for this set, I think I just have Jonghyun. Yes. Yes, oh yes. Just the 2. Sana and Dahyun. These OT9 sets have actually been really fun to collect. I really missed collecting Twice. I don't know, I just kind of fell off the horse with it. Oh my god, this is the last J. This is the last J card I'll ever put in until More and More. But I was kind of sad about this since the person I traded with sent me like a really bent card. Like this is really bent. And they didn't tell me about it beforehand, and when I brought it up they were like, oh, I don't really know what to say. And I was like, I don't know, don't tell people about damaged cards, but that's fine. Yes, so that's Che finished forever. I say forever, so final, no. Obviously they're gonna have comebacks, but everything up until their most recent comeback is done. So it feels special. I have, what the hell, Momo. Don't know why I got so confused on that. And then Geo and Chewy. Honestly, this Chewy card. This is the only card that I'm collecting this set for, because it's so beautiful. Okay, that's in the, oops. Okay, that's fine. We'll forget that happened. Then moving on, I haven't got any more cards yet. My group order hasn't come in. Aha, and then we actually complete this page. Wow. Oh my god, done. And then I just need these cards. But I'm actually so glad that I've been able to finish Che. Been such a long way coming. I'm just really happy, and to have almost finished my OT9 sets, it's just really amazing as well. This unit card, I think I've been scammed. We traded a long time ago. Oops, I'll have to chase that up. But yes, that was everything for this video. What else do I say? That's everything for this video. Thank you for watching. Though I'm now going to be uploading like every Friday, so keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching.